Hello children, welcome to all once again. Myself Mrs. Rani Sheikh from NCMS Chabwa. Today we are going to discuss our fourth chapter from reader book. The name of your chapter? Tread. This story is written by Sigran Srivastav. The word tread means to keep somebody in a dangerous place or bad situation from which he cannot escape. Before we start the lesson, I would like to ask us some question children. Children, do you like animals? I know some people likes animal and some don't. If your answer is yes, then which animals do you like most? I am sure everybody's answer is different. But student, do you know why am I asking you question about animals? Because this is the story of young bear who gets trapped by the villagers in the village. By reading the chapter, we will find out how the young bear will get escape. So let's begin the chapter. So first of all, we will do warm-up exercise, work in pairs and discuss the two pictures. You can see here two pictures are given. What similarities and differences do you find between the two pictures? You can see a girl showing kindness at the dog and another picture the boy showing is aggression at the dog. So why do you think some people are cruel to animals? Is it right? Is it right? Give reason for your answer. So let's begin the chapter. The bear padded down the village path and stopped to sniff the air. So children, what is the meaning of padded? Padded means walked and sniff means animals breathe loudly to smell something. The village lay sleeping in the hot afternoon sun. The bear walked on. He was young and chubby. Blades of grass lay knotted on his soft, shining black fur. So children, what happened one day? A young bear entered into the village. His fur was black and shiny. All the villagers were sleeping because it was noon time. While walking into the village, he was smelling the air. So children, who entered the village? Yes, a young bear entered into the village. How was bear? Bear was black and bear was young and chubby. His fur was black and shiny. So when he arrived at open gate, he peeped into a courtyard. A girl sat near a cot, scrubbing a brass plate with ash and sand. So children, when he reached at open gate, who reached at open gate? Bear. What did he saw? He saw into a courtyard a girl who was scrubbing a brass plate with ash and sand. The polished plate sparkled in the midday sun. The midday sun, that plate was shine. The glare hit the bear's eyes. What is the meaning of glare? Strong bright light. When strong bright light hit the bear's eye, he purred. Purred means gurana. The girl looked up. When the girl saw the bear, the dish fell from her hands. That plate was fell down. And she shrieked. Shriek means scream. Bhalu. What is the bhalu? Bhalu, it is Hindi name of a Hindi word. What noise was that? He was thought, what noise was that? The young bear was puzzled. He was frightened. He drew back a step or two, but then there was a loud noise that made him really scared. So children, the young bear was puzzled because too much noise was there. That was he scared also. He drew back one or two steps back. He take back a step, but he was really scared. Dogs barking burst out from everywhere, far and near. Suddenly, the young animals could smell danger. He turned towards the road that led through the fields back into the forest, but it was too late. So children, the bear sensed danger when he heard the barking of dogs. He wants to go to back forest through the fields into the forest because the road was not the fields back into the forest, but it was too late. The road was not safe, it was full of humans. Their hunting cries ranged in the air. The bear ran as fast he could over open drains and a garbage. So children, what happened? Now it was all the people came on the road, but it was because road was not safe because all the people came out on the road. You can see this picture. all the people came out on the road, because that's why the road was not safe. The bear run as good fast as he can, but over open drains and garbage, but the hunter pressed on him means to move towards him. Pressed in on him means move towards him. Through a cloud of dust, he saw them coming towards him. He saw a gang of children with rest of sticks. What did he saw? He saw a game, lots of children bring sticks and close on their heels. Close on their heels means behind them. Close behind them were the dogs. So they are telling, get him, get him, get him. So children, the bear did not understand the cries, but the wild barking of the dogs terrified him. So children, bear don't understand what is the cries. He don't understand the cries, but the wild barking of the dogs terrified him. He turned and ran blindly into the next lane and next, and then into the another, but his efforts were in vain. Confused with terror, he lost his way. So children, the bear did not understand the cries. He was blindly running into the next lane, another lane, but without any effort, he lost his way. Without any effort, he lost his way. Now he was angry. He rushed down a lane that led into a square. The animal did not know that the square led nowhere. The square was walled in all four sides. So children, now bear was angry because of he was running and और भागते हुए वह इतनी जल्दी भागा और भागते हुए ऐसी जगह पे पहुंचा जहाँ एक स्क्वायर था और उसके आगे कोई रास्ता नहीं था. The square was walled in all four sides. You can see in this picture, the square was walled in all four sides. In the middle of was an old dry well. Old dry well. In the middle of it was an old dry well. The bear got to the well in a few leaps and looked around. There was no place to hide. अब उसने दौड़ते हुए देखा कि अब कुछ छुपने की जगह नहीं. He was trapped. Trapped means to keep somebody in a dangerous place or bad situation from which he cannot. So children, now bear was trapped. The animal now turned round to face the children and the dogs. The children began to throw stones at him, and he was hit first on his shoulder, then on his back. The dogs dug their teeth into his hind legs. Hind legs means the back legs of an animal. Hind legs means the back leg of, you can see the back leg of an animal. The bear shook himself free and hit them with a paw. They fell back and he swung round. So children, what happened? The animal now turned. जैसे ही उसने अपना फेस टर्न किया, all the children began throw stones at him. First hit on shoulder, then hit his back. The dog dug their teeth into his hind legs. जो डॉग था वो उसके हिंड लेग्स को काटने की कोशिश कर रहा था. The bear shook himself free and hit them with a paw. They fell back and he swung round. And with one mighty leap, he disappeared into the dark depth of the well. Mighty means large and impressive. जैसे ही उसने अपना एक कदम बढ़ाया, he disappeared into the dark depth of the well. और वह एक well में गिर गया, dry well में गिर गया. The children bent over the rim and threw stones and sticks into the well. The bear, angry and terrified, snarled from below. This went on for some time. So children, what happened? All the children, you can see here in this picture, all the children bent rim. Rim means side of wall. All the children throw stones and stick into the well. The bear angry. What happened? Now the bear was angry and terrified. वो डर गया. Snarled from below. और वो क्या करने लगा? Growled करने लगा. Snarl means growled. This went on for some time. और ये सब कुछ क्या हुआ? थोड़ी देर तक चलता रहा. Then all of a sudden the stones stopped falling and the shout ceased. Suddenly stones stopped and shouting also stopped. The wounded and frightened bear looked up. घायल और frightened डरे हुए bear ने ऊपर देखा. A single human face bent down from the top. It was the face of a girl. The bear saw a face of a girl from the bear did not know that, but he heard the girl's kind and gentle voice. बेयर उसको नहीं जानता था who is she, but her voice is very sweet and kind. That's why that's why the felt that is was a friend. There was something in her voice that comforted him. He stopped snarling. So children, जो वो लड़की थी उसकी आवाज़ उसको बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल फील करा रही थी. दैट्स वाई ही स्टॉप स्नार्लिंग. That's better, that girl said. That's better, poor bear. How tired you must be. Now sit down and wait. I will get you out of this. So she said that. Now how tired you are. You stop now. Now sit down and wait here. I will get out of this. मैं तुम्हें इसे बाहर निकालने में मदद करती हूँ. She turned round and faced the children. Everybody held her in high regard. Held her in high regard. It means highly respected her, and the children knew that their bear chase would displease her. सब बच्चे समझ गए थे कि हमने उस बेयर को जो पीछा किया है, उसको पकड़ा है, उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. She told, why are you torturing? She asked them, he has done you no harm. Go away. She told two children, why are you torturing this animal? आप क्यों परेशान कर रहे हो? He has done no harm, so go away. Come on, Meera Didi. We didn't mean any harm. She told. She heard someone say, any one of them, she said that, Meera Didi, we didn't mean any harm. The bear frightened the girl and we wanted to scare him. हम तो इसको डराना चाहते थे इस बेयर को, बिकॉज इसने उस लड़की को डराया था. दैट्स ऑल. इट वॉज अ जस्ट जोक. इट वॉज जस्ट अ जोक. हम तो सिर्फ मजाक कर रहे थे. She told, I don't think so, she said, chasing a young bear into a well. Luckily, the poor bear has not broken his neck. Now could you help me get him out? Can you get me a ladder? She told, that girl told, I don't think so. चेसिंग, तुमने जब तक उसका पीछा किया जब तक कि वह पकड़ में नहीं आ गया, और लकीली नथिंग हैपन. द पुअर बेयर हैज़ नॉट ब्रोकन हिज नेक. उसकी गर्दन में कुछ नहीं हुआ, कोई ब्रोकन टूटा नहीं. नाउ कुड यू हेल्प मी गेट हिम आउट? शी टोल्ड, कैन यू हेल्प मी? कैन यू गेट मी अ लैडर? क्या मुझे तुम लैडर ला के दे सकते हो? आई कैन, सेड ए स्मॉल बॉय लक्ष्मण, and run off in a few minutes. He was back, dragging a ladder behind him. I have got a ladder, he said. A small boy Lakshman said that, I have got a ladder, he said. Wonderful, said Meera. Meera said that, wonderful, this will help us rescue. Rescue means to save from a dangerous or harmful situation. Now help me get it into the well, careful. We must not frighten the little fellow. She told, help me get into the well. We must not frighten the little fellow. Meera looked into the well and spoke soothingly. You can see this picture. Meera looked into the well and spoke soothingly. Soothingly means trying to make comfort someone feel better. Then slowly and carefully she and Lakshman lowered the ladder into the well. और धीरे धीरे लक्ष्मण ने और मीरा ने क्या किया, लैडर को वेल में उतारा. द लिटिल बेयर ग्रोल्ड इन एंजाइटी. एंजाइटी मीन्स घबरा गया. ही क्लोड एट द लैडर वाइल्डली. नो नो, सेड मीरा सॉफ्टली, इट विल नॉट हर्ट यू, इट्स जस्ट अ लैडर. मूव बैक, मेक रूम फॉर द लैडर. शी टोल्ड, इट विल नॉट हर्ट यू, इट्स जस्ट अ लैडर. ये एक सीढ़ी है. मूव बैक, पीछे जाओ और लैडर को रखने के लिए जगह बनाओ. The bear stepped back and sniffed at the ladder curiously. Slowly he tied the first step, then another, and then third. He climbed the next 6 steps quickly. When he had almost reached the middle of the well, he stopped and looked up at the girl with trusting eyes. So children, what happened? The bear stepped back and sniffed bear smelling the ladder curiously, and slowly he tried the first step, then another, and then six step he climbed the next six step quickly. When he had almost reached, you can see in this picture, the middle of the well, he stopped and looked at the girl with the trusting eyes. विश्वास भरी नजरों से उसने उसको देखा. She told, come up, she said gently. No one is going to hurt you. कोई तुमको hurt नहीं करेगा. She and Lakshma moved away from the well. Would the bear come up safely? Meera wondered, anything could happen before that. The ladder could slide off, or it could fall forward, or one of its rungs could break. और वो मन में सोचती है एनीथिंग कुड हैपन बिफोर दैट, क्या वो सेफली बाहर आ जाएगा? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि लेडर का स्टेप टूट तो नहीं जाएगा, कोई रंग मीन्स ब्रेक तो नहीं हो जाएगा. रंग मीन्स द बार ऑफ दैट फॉर्म स्टेप ऑन अ लेडर. एज इट वॉच anxiously, the head of the bear emerged above the rim of the whale, and then his shoulder, then his sniffed climbed onto the rim and leapt to the ground. He looked at Meera. So children, what happened? सारे बच्चे जो थे सभी लोग उसको ध्यान से क्यूरियोसिटी से देख रहे थे. धीरे धीरे उसका हेड बाहर आता है, देन हिज शोल्डर, और वो ग्राउंड में आ जाता है. Go on, run home, she said smiling at him. She said that, Meera said that, go on, run home. The bear got to his legs and bowed. Bow means झुकना. For thanks के लिए. Yes, he did. Lakshman saw him bow. He bowed to Meera and then padded down the lane to the main road. Once he was on the road, he ran through the large green fields back into the forest. And now he was again on the road. He was safely came out and run through the large green fields back into the forest. So children, what do you understand by this story? That animals do have feelings. They also need love and care like humans. So children, never torturing animals. Always be kind and humble towards them. So I hope you understand this story very well. Thank you.